Hi friends. If you need to travel from Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport to Bangkok City, this video has good news for you. You can do this journey in 30 minutes, and it will cost just 45 baht. And it is easy to do. Let me show you. When you arrive at the airport, head to level B of the building. It is level B, where you will find the airport rail link station. Yes, you will be traveling by the airport train. This service operates every day, between 6 am and midnight. When you come to level B, look for the entrance to the station, where it says, City Line. Go inside. In the front, you will see these vending machines. This is where you have to buy a token for your train journey. Buy a token to go to the Phaya Thai station. The Phaya Thai station is the last stop of the airport train, and it is also the interchange station to connect to the BTS SkyTrain. BTS SkyTrain serves both Sukhumvit and Silom areas of Bangkok City, and is the most popular local train system among tourists. But there is another local train system in Bangkok, and it is the underground MRT. You can connect to both the systems via the airport train. If you need to go to a location in Bangkok which is served by the BTS SkyTrain, then buy a token for the Phaya Thai station. And if you need to connect to the MRT, then you have to go to Makassan, which is another station on the airport line. The fare to go to Makassan is 35 baht. The fare has to be paid in cash, in Thai currency. Prepare the money before you stand in a queue at the vending machine. Once you have bought a token, proceed towards the train platform. The platform is one level down from here, and you can use either an elevator or an escalator to go there. The train frequency is between 10 and 15 minutes, depending on the time of day. The train takes about 30 minutes to reach the Phaya Thai station. Once there, you can exit the airport train station and walk over to the BTS SkyTrain station. You will have to pay again for your ride on the SkyTrain. But it is the most convenient way to get around the city. Be mindful of the time. If you want to take the SkyTrain late at night, I think you should be on the airport train by 11 pm. Otherwise, a taxi may be your only option. If you need help with planning your journey from the airport to the city, write a comment below. I will be happy to assist you. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Thailand and other countries. Many thanks for watching.